Hello everyone, it's Alex and welcome back to my ballet inspired workout series. Today's video is going to be focused on our arms. Yes, we're going to be doing some workouts that are going to get us those nice long lean toned arms like those ballerinas have. It's going to be really fun. This is my beginner's workout, so it's nothing too intense. You don't need any equipment. We're just going to use our own resistance of our muscles. It's going to be really nice and I'm very excited for this one. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're unable to join me for this workout right now, go ahead and save this to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. Alright guys, so we're going to get started seated in the center of your mat. We're going to take all the weight off of our legs. We're not even going to think about our legs. We're just going to be focusing on our arms to start off with. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to extend your arms nice and long out to the sides. And we're just going to start by drawing those nice little circles with our arms back. Yes. So I want you to mainly focus on keeping your shoulders down here. You don't want to lift your shoulders up. I want you to press those shoulder blades together. And you're using the own resistance of your weight to feel that burn in your arms. I know it doesn't seem like much to start off with, but trust me, the longer we keep doing this and the more you work with that resistance, you're going to start to feel the burn. Very nice. So keep your palms facing down, shoulders are rolled back. You're sitting up nice and tall, have a nice straight spine. And you're just drawing little circles to the back. Good. Focusing on that breath. Remember, it's so important to breathe. I'm going to remind you of this in every class because I have a lot of students who just love to hold their breaths while they're working out, and that's not good. I promise you, it's going to feel easier. It's going to feel nicer if you breathe. Holding in your breath creates more stress. We don't want to do that. We want to feel nice and easygoing while we're doing these workouts. Awesome. Just a couple more seconds here. And let's go ahead and reverse that motion. So start circling the arms forwards. I'm already starting to feel a little bit of a burn. If you are too, that's great. If you're not, again, think about using your own resistance. So maybe even try to squeeze those triceps and those biceps back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. You're going to start to feel it, I promise. Beautiful. Just breathe. Nice and easy, right? Nothing too crazy. Just sit in here, moving your arms. You can literally do this anywhere. If you're feeling like you need a little arm workout, while you're working at your desk, you can just start doing this. First thing in the morning when you wake up from bed, start doing these arm circles. Beautiful. About 5 more seconds. And awesome. From here, we're going to lower our arms down in what we call first position. So you have a nice circle with the arms. You're going to raise your arms all the way above your head and back down to the side. Beautiful. Bring them down and up to the side. Nice. Making sure that you're having nice long arms, but you want a little bit of bend in your elbows when you bring them forward and up, but you're extending them long to the side. Good. Same thing here, thinking about keeping those shoulders down, and you're just doing what we call in ballet a full port de bras. So it's a full movement with the arms that go all the way above your head and back out. Good. And you can go a little bit faster. You don't have to stop in any position if you want to get more of a burn. Just circle those arms. Yes, nice and long and beautiful, just like the ballerinas. I'm definitely starting to feel the burn now, which is good. That's what we want. Big circles. Try not to touch the fingertips together. You want just a little gap between the fingers, so you have those nice long arms. Awesome. Keep it going here. Got about 5 more seconds. Good. Now from here, it's similar movement, but this time you're just going to draw big circles with the arms all the way straight. If you watched my mobility class, I did a similar movement like this. You can feel a really nice burn here throughout your entire arm. So you're just drawing big circles back, trying to reach your arms back. Ooh, I'm definitely starting to feel the burn now, which is good. You feel some heat rising in my face, which is always nice. Notice you're getting a good workout in. Good. Now reverse that circle, bringing them forwards. Nice, long, big arms. Beautiful. About 10 more seconds here. Gorgeous. And bring them down. Awesome. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come into our tricep dips, which are one of my favorite arm workouts to do. Really get into those triceps. So face your fingertips towards your heels. Squeeze your shoulders together to lift that chest up. You're going to squeeze your glutes, lift your hips up. You're going to lower down and up. We're going to be here for 20, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. We got 10 more. Squeeze the glutes. Breathe. Lift those hips up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze and hold. Beautiful. Lower those hips down. Shake out your arms a little bit. Good. We're just going to repeat all 4 of those steps now. Yeah, so same thing again. We're just going to repeat it once more. So you're really going to start to feel the burn. Give your arms a little break. Take a big deep breath. Let it out. All right. Let's get right into it. Reach those arms out to the side once more, starting with those little circles back. You're going to start to feel it in your shoulders too. That's where I start to feel it, which is always good. You want to work out your shoulders as well. Beautiful. Again, just breathe. Focus on your breath. Small, fast, little circles. Squeeze your arms. Feel those triceps, biceps resisting to go back. I want you to imagine like you are in mud or maybe honey and you're trying to move your arms. Or if you're underwater, that's the kind of resistance you want. Use your imagination. You got this. About 10 more seconds here, then we're going to reverse it. Try to keep that body nice and tall. Beautiful. And reverse. Bring it forward. Keep those arms super straight. And kind of stretch out the neck if that feels good. If you need to distract yourself, I always need to distract myself when doing these. Just push through, not stop. You got this. Nice small circles. They don't have to be super big. Save those for later, right? Good. Keep it going. About 10 more seconds. Definitely feel the burn. But it feels good. It's going to be worth it, I promise. Beautiful for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to lower those arms down to your first position. Up and bring them back down. Up and around. Good. Full port de bras here. Just moving the arms in nice big circles. You want to reach your arms nice and long out when you open them. If you notice, I'm sitting in a crisscross position now. You can sit however you want. I just want you to take the focus off of your legs. Although if you want to stand and do this, you are more than welcome to stand and do this. I'll not stop you. Might even be a little bit better. Some people find it easier to stand up and distract themselves. But I wanted to give my legs a rest and just focus on my arms. Good, let's start taking this movement a little bit faster if you were going slower. Nice big sweep up and around, up and around, up and around. Good, we got about 10 more seconds here, guys. You got this. Up and around, up and around, up. Good, awesome. Now we're gonna do those big arm circles. Bring them all the way back. Like we're swimming. Doing some back strokes with both arms. Keep it going. You got this. Definitely feeling my shoulders starting to burn. I want to quit, but I'm not going to quit, guys. So just stay with me. Breathe through it. Good. Let's go ahead and reverse that. So bring them forwards. Big circles, keep those arms nice and long. We got about 10 more seconds here. Three, 2, 1. Awesome. Bring those arms down. Last thing, let's really give it our all, our tricep dips. So again, bring those hands behind you. Roll the shoulders, blades back. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale to lift the hips up. You're going to lower down for 20, 19, 18, 17. You got this. Just keep breathing. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last one. Hold it up. Squeeze everything. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your shoulders. And lower it down. Beautiful job, you guys. Let out a big deep breath. Let's go ahead and stretch out the arms here for a moment. Just reach your right arm across your body. Bend that left elbow. Oh, this feels so nice. My arms are on fire. That is exactly what I wanted. Nothing too crazy though, right? We didn't use any weights. We just used the resistance of our own body, which sometimes can do just as much. You can feel just as much as the burn. Okay, let's go ahead and switch. Although if you want to make this more challenging, you are more than welcome to use weights or maybe cans of beans or wine bottles if that motivates you. But I like to do it just using the resistance in my own arms. Beautiful. Go ahead and shake it out here. Let everything go. Take a big deep breath in. And you are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope your arms are on fire, and I will see you next time on the mat. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to check out more of our content or see my whole ballet inspired workout series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description below.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.